JavaScript Commission Bot review demo and $5,297 bonus. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art Flair from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my JavaScript Commission Bot review, a brand new product released by Jono Armstrong. Now, if you need traffic and if you want free traffic, this is the perfect app, and I'm actually going to show you a second way you can monetize it, because there's a bunch of ways you can actually monetize this if you're thinking outside of the box. Okay, so essentially what it does is it generates traffic from Instagram and from Twitter by growing your account organically. Okay, so obviously with Twitter, with Instagram, you can get traffic at any age because you can target specific audiences. So this is pretty amazing. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. We're going to go through the members area. I have a huge over $5,000 bonus to it, so definitely the biggest bonus any affiliate will actually have to JavaScript Commission Bot. Let me share my screen, let's jump into it. But before I do, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. So it's all about growing your Instagram account and your Twitter account. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I wanted to show you this website, socialtradia.com. Okay, so the cool thing about Socialtradia is that you can sell and buy Instagram accounts, but if you're going to use a JavaScript Commission Bot to grow your account automatically, you can actually then go to socialtradia.com and sell it. So as you can see, these accounts go for thousands of dollars, and this can be in any niche. So I found this one, Scarlett Johansson. This is a fan account, so you can just grow an account like this automatically and then sell it for over $3,000. So I'm going to show you exactly how all of this would work, but as you can see, if you have over 100,000 followers, you can easily sell these accounts for $3,000, $4,000, even $10,000. And again, this is something that will be done for you automatically, so you don't have to actually do any manual work. Okay, with that being said, let's check out the sales page. As you can see, it says JavaScript Commission Bot stealth software turns unlimited free traffic into lazy commissions. We are making $1,000 daily profits, and it's push button easy. 24/7 traffic, 24/7 commission, automated income without BS. Now, what I didn't mention is that a part of all the traffic that you're going to be getting, Jono is actually including done for you promotions, so you instantly know what to promote. So this is fully done for you as well, and you're getting commissions on this as well. So scrolling down here, let's check it out. Obviously you can check all of this out in your own time. Jono Armstrong, that's the guy behind this product. JavaScript Commission Bot, again, that's the name of the product. They're gonna have a little demo right here. I'm going to have the same demo both on my YouTube channel and my blog, so you can check it out as well. 30 days money back guarantee. As always, they have some bonuses right here on the sales page. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever is mentioned right here on the sales page. Again, JavaScript Commission Bot, and that's essentially it. 30 days money back guarantee as always, so absolutely no risk. Check it out once it's live. Now let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so there's not much to show you inside the members area because this is all automated, and all you have to do is just install the software and then select the niche. Okay, so we have the welcome video, then we have installing Instagram and Twitter extensions video, then we have setting up offers training video, and that's essentially it. You can go through all of this in less than 20 minutes, install it, and start getting followers, automated followers. Okay, so how this works is using this with Instagram, all you have to do is just find big accounts in your niche. Okay, so this is my account. So how this extension works, because this is a Chrome extension, is that it would go to my account and it would auto follow all of my followers. Okay, so what happens is some of these followers will automatically follow you back. Okay, it can be 20%, 30%, 50% of these people, which means that if you're following thousands of accounts, this will get you thousands of followers totally on autopilot. Okay, now the cool thing with JavaScript Commission Bot is that they've set specific numbers, so they're actually making sure that you won't get banned. And there are a bunch of other similar software out there, but because they are working against the TOS of Instagram and Twitter, they are getting banned left and right. Now, with JavaScript Commission Bot, you are working legally, which means that Instagram and Twitter actually allow it. So again, all you have to do is just pick the accounts in your niche. So this can be make money online, this can be fitness, this can be any other niche. You select the accounts, then the software will go into these accounts and follow all the followers, and they will follow you back. And this will work again for Instagram and for Twitter. So obviously with Instagram you can have a link right here promoting anything you want. The same with Twitter. Obviously each time you tweet and each time you post something on Instagram, you get the traffic. But again, you can just grow these accounts automatically. Even you can do this you know, on 10 accounts at a time, and then just sell these accounts on sites like Social Tradia. That's the ones I just showed you. Okay, so super automated, you don't have to do anything. And again, this is free traffic from social media, super targeted, and you can do a bunch of different things with it. Okay, so that's essentially it. Obviously all the video training on how to use it will be included, and right now let me show you all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, $12.97 is the price of JavaScript Commission Bot, so super low price. Normally this is a price of a course, not a price of a software. Okay, with that being said, this is during the launch period only. Okay, so July 7th at 9 a.m. Eastern is when this early bird is starting. The price will be going up after that. Now we have 4 upgrades, so after you will pick up your copy, you will be presented with these optional upgrades. Okay, upgrade number 1 is $47, and as you can see, this is the Commission Bot Pro. So unlimited everything. With this upgrade you will be able to use the Chrome extensions with unlimited Instagram and Twitter accounts. So you can use one Instagram and one Twitter account with the main product. If you want unlimited, like if you want to grow 100 accounts at a time, you can. And you also get a link and URL shortener, which means that you can use this to promote any affiliate offer. Okay, that's upgrade number 1. Upgrade number 2 will be $97, and this will be a JavaScript Commission Bot done for you campaigns. Okay, so here you're getting campaigns that made over $50,000. So you're getting email swipes, bonus pages, bonuses, and review videos. Okay, next up we have upgrade number 3, $197, and this will be high ticket done for you funnel plus limitless traffic. So you're actually going to get a funnel that will generate you commissions of up to $1,000, and you can place your Google Pixel code on the sales page for JavaScript Commission Bot and funnel the traffic out. So you have both the traffic and something to promote it with, and actually make thousands of dollars. And last up we have upgrade number 4, $197, and this will be 4 apps resellers license bundle. So you're getting developers rights and reseller rights to JavaScript Commission Bot and 3 additional apps. So this means that you're getting 100% commissions on everything, all 4 funnels. Okay, so guys, these upgrades are optional, and obviously you'll be fine with the main product alone, but I would definitely recommend the unlimited version, especially if you want to just grow these accounts on autopilot and then sell them. Even if you're just going to sell them for maybe $1,000 each, maybe $2,000-$3,000 each. If you're growing 10 accounts, 20 accounts at a time, you can make thousands of dollars every single month this way. So guys, these are the OTOs, and right now let me show you my bonus. Okay, so over $5,000 is what I have in store for you, all for free, just as a thank you if you'll decide to pick up JavaScript Commission Bot through my link. Now, again, it goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on July 7th. If you want to pick it up through my link, please just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog. And if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after 9 a.m. Eastern on July 7th. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you 3 custom-made bonuses, 3 different ways you can actually generate traffic. So the more traffic you get, the more money you'll be making. So you'll definitely enjoy this one. Buyers List Ninja. This is my exclusive course on how to create a buyers list. Okay, so the kind of a list that you really should have. You're also going to get an additional piece of software called Urgency Suits Pro. This is a software for affiliate marketers. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, this is an absolute must-have. I'm also going to give you a bunch of W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses: the Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier, the Secret Weapon, Fuego Breakout, Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking, Instagram Marketing Made Simple and Profitable, 10K Commissions, 10K a month online, Blaze, Flip Me, Tube Traffic Avalanche, and a case study on free traffic, and a bunch of powerful softwares and plugins on top of that. Okay, so Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode Call to Action, Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, ASIN Press, FaceZone, VidBuilder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, SlickPop, VidBot, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, and Courses plugin. Now, on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus. My mega bonus just recently got bigger, and it is now 116 W's of the day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and that means that the total value of this package is $5,297. This is a real world value. This is how much you would actually have to spend if you would get all of these separately. Okay, again, this is all yours for free, just as a thank you for picking up JavaScript Commission Bot through my link. And again, just click on one of these blue links from my blog. This is me and Jono, by the way, in real life. And before you go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus. So all you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on your icon with your name right here in the top right corner, go to the purchase history, click on JavaScript Commission Bot, and below the button that says access to your purchase, you should see another one saying bonuses from Art. That's how you claim it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It is all done for you automatically. And for the last time, 9 a.m. Eastern on July 7th is when it goes live. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses. And leave me a comment if you have any questions. Okay, again, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.